Meaning of gawp.
gawp,
Gawp.
gawp,
Gawp. The word gawp means to stare in a rude or ignorant manner. It is often used to describe someone who gazes openly and with little discretion, often making others feel uncomfortable or self-conscious. The act of gawping can be considered impolite or even offensive, as it can be interpreted as an invasion of personal space or a lack of respect for others' privacy. Engaging in this behavior can have negative consequences, including creating tension or discomfort in social situations and potentially damaging relationships. In short, gawping is generally seen as a negative behavior that should be avoided.